Hey guys, welcome to yesterday's project. What I'm working on here is the dreaded caliper bolt here. The hole is stripped out, so bottom one's fine, top one here is stripped out. And what I'm going to be using to repair this is one of these thread inserts. I've used these in the past. They work very well. Obviously the best solution would be replace the knuckle. I've seen quite a few people do helicoils, and then I've gone and serviced ones with helicoils. The issue I've run into is sometimes people Loctite the helicoil in, they put the bolt in too soon, they Loctite the thing all together, and when you go to pull the bolt out, the helicoil comes out. Or they over torque it again and stretch the helicoil and pull it out. I've had very good luck with putting this in, red Loctite, let it set up, and then it's serviceable later. So I'm going to show you how to do this repair. The inside of this thread insert is a 8mm 1.25, and then the outside I believe is a 12 1.5. So okay, so I've just ran the tape down this, I drilled it out, I stepped up, that way I started with a small size and worked my way up, that way it stayed nice and centered. Sometimes if you start with a large bit it might walk around. You can see it does take quite a bit off, but there's still quite a bit of meat left on there. So I'm just going to put some additional red Loctite on this and screw it in, and then I'll let it dry. Alright, so I got some Loctite on there. And I'll just thread this in. And it's got this little slot, so I can just put a screwdriver in there. And I'll thread it till it's even on the back side. I really don't care too much if it sticks out just a little bit here, but I want it flush on the back side because that's where the slide comes up to. I don't want it to protrude. Okay, so that's what it wound up looking like. All done. I'll just let that sit for several hours so that red Loctite cures, and that's how I repair my knuckle when the threads pull out. Thanks for watching. Comment below if you have any thoughts or tips on this.